Okay, hello dear friends. So let me share with you some of the technique to make our dough a bit more firmer. And this one is soft dough, so it's very soft. But you know, I went to travel, and on my way to travel, I couldn't finish it, so I freeze it, and it's one of a very famous Chinese dish to eat frozen dough. So you can take a look at it. Let me cut it, and you can see it becomes much firmer because when it is get frozen, there is air holes in it, and so it creates a much stronger texture. And in north of China, Dongbei, northeast of China, this is one typical kind of dish, and because it's very cold, so people freeze the dough and to get this texture, you see. And I heard some people some friends like it much firmer, and this one has a texture which allow the flavor get into that holes, and it's very delicious. So we will do it. I open up the fire or turn on the fire, whichever way we say. And this pot is not clean because I have just cooked some other dishes, and there is some leftover flavor, so no need to clean it. It's not dirty, it's just leftover flavor from the other pot. So we can save water and keep some of this flavor. This is not the most magnificent flavor. There are sometimes we have this rédu, which has more flavor, even better. And I put some meat, which I have already cooked. And I got some friends say that it's time to eat less animal, to take care of animal and eat more vegetable. I totally agree with you. If you are more caring, if you do not want to eat it with meat, don't eat with meat. Just tofu and put some other spice you like. You can put salt, pepper, anything. And this is the sushi soya sauce. Why do we waste it? We can still use it, right? Put it in. And maybe some water to rinse it up so that we do not waste anything. We do not need to waste anything because these are all the good flavors. And time to say hello. Hello. Some cooking oil and pepper, salt. Hello. We already put soya sauce, so we do not need that much salt. Hello, pepper. Bye. Hello, cumin seed. Bye. Hello, mustard seed. Oh, it's empty. It's okay. With or without something, it's all okay. And I want to rinse this bowl also with some cooking wine. Not cooking wine, just a white wine, so that we do not waste anything. We are doing home cooking. Okay. And this is a home cooking, family cooking. We do not need to be pretentious. We just need to make it delicious and make it right. Turn the fire stronger and put some green bean. I washed some sweet pea already. That be good. That should be good. Okay, leave a little bit for the soup or something for tomorrow. Then we cover it up. Maybe some more cooking oil. Clean it up at the same time. Maybe some more cooking soya sauce. Let me see if I have strong soya sauce. Okay, I have some pretty strong soya sauce. This one has more flavor than, see, it is quite sickening. Sick. It's quite gooey. And you can put chili pepper sauce if you like, chirasa sauce or any other sauce, anything that make you happy. Cook for a couple of more minutes. And that is it. So you can see that this kind of tofu, it has a much firmer texture, because when you freeze it, the water become glass, and then when the glass melted, the water goes away, leave that holes. Do I make any sense? And it has more a texture, more chewy. And I know a lot of friends like a harder tofu. And this is not the way of making harder tofu. This is the way of using tofu to make into another texture. Okay, let's take a look. If you like, you can put some cornstarch soup, or just like this. This is not bad. See, the flavor goes into it. We give it another few minutes. There is really not very much you can do, or not very much you need to do. It is the fire to make the job. At home, cooking is not about big oil and big strong fire, stir fry, because at the end of the day you will need to clean it up. And also there is a difference between home cooking and restaurant cooking. Home cooking, you want it to make you comfortable, not too spicy, not too much flavor, and when you eat it, you can feel comfortable and your stomach does not have a fight with you. But restaurant cooking is about instantly attract you with strong flavor. The less expensive restaurant just give you very strong flavor, bigger salt, more quantity of salt, pepper, sugar, vinegar, just make it strong. And a good restaurant, they make it, they use more ingredients and delicate ingredients, but the purpose is to attract you immediately. Family cooking is not about that. Family cooking is about clean, comfortable, good for your housekeeping, good for your stomach. So that's so hot. That is it. Enjoy. Bon appetito. This does not look that red, that beautiful color, but it's just good. It is perfect. Okay. So you can take a look. I love you. I really do. If you feel that eating meat is not good, we are not friendly to the world. Forget about the meat and you use only tofu and vegetable, maybe some mushroom, maybe some other spice, some beans, whatever. You will find your way. But the purpose is that whichever way, you can always make your food easy and edible. This is edible. I love you. I really do. A little bit too much oil, I feel.